Hello and welcome to the video presentation brought to you by Group 2 Class C. These are the three lovely members of our group: Nguyen Thi Hai Ngan, Nguyen Thi My Hanh, and Thao Nguyen. Our group is given Unit 2 in IELTS Achieve 2. In this course, we will be covering the topic of money. The course will last for 3 weeks. Each consists of 2 topics. The course will include face-to-face interaction in class and online sections where students practice on their own or discuss with their friends. At the end of the course, students will be given a task. They are asked to produce a video to solve the problem of young people wasting money. We will provide them with useful sources of information during the course. Now, let's get started. Topic 1. Open account. Getting started. As you can see, the aim of this lesson is to get students started, to warm them up, to draw their interest to the topic. Here, they will learn some basic vocabulary and concepts about money and banking. They will also be able to recognize and say email address through the listening and pronunciation practice. They will also have the chance to practice speaking with some helpful expression to ask for information. In the topic, all student 4 skills are activated. Let me show you an example of how reading and listening are collaborated. First, you go to the Elearning site, go to topic 1, click on Read the Test, click here. As you can see, in this test, first you have to read the test and complete it with the headings by matching the title like this. After you have decided the headings, you will come to the listening part where you will listen to a conversation and tick what you hear. After you finish, click Next and then submit your work. As for their homework, students are required to conduct an interview here with a questionnaire designed by the teacher on the topic of students and money. They will have to interview at least 5 of their friends. This is to give them a chance to practice the expressions that they have learned, and it can also be a helpful source of information they can use for their final task. Topic 2. Reading. Of course, the main skill that students will practice in this topic is reading. More specific, reading for detailed information. Here, they will read a passage called The Cashless Society. They are required to complete a variety type of exercise like combine the sentences, decide whether the sentence is true, false, or not given, and find the word which match the given meaning. At home, for the online section, students will join a discussion forum about the advantages and disadvantages of a cashless society. This is to help them to develop their critical thinking. They will also learn the suffixes and prefixes to change a word into negative, and practice with a very interesting game, crossword. Let me show you how. Okay, you go back to the Elearning site, go to topic 2, find a crossword here, You click. Okay. Click here. As you can see, change the words into their negative form. Click on any row or column that you like. You see, legal. The negative form of legal is illegal. Okay. Yay! You got a correct answer. Topic 3. Listening. In the topic, students will focus on listening. They will learn to listen to numbers, in this case, amount of money. They will also be able to recognize and say some common unit of currencies like pound, dollar, or RMB. They will listen to ways of saving money. After listening, they will have a group discussion on ways to save money, and they are asked to give a presentation in front of the whole class. This is to help them to develop their presentation skill. At home, they can watch a video on how to make and save money as a teenager. This is what we call authentic material, which might be helpful for the final task. Topic 4. Speaking. In this topic, students will improve their speaking through practice with some new expressions about finances and purchases, such as get by, put aside money, window shopping, shop around, secondhand. After that, they will do a role play in which one student will act as an examiner, the other will be the candidate. They will complete the first two parts of IELTS speaking. As for their homework, students are required to submit an audio recording of IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you bought recently. Here, to submit the video, you go to the Elearning site, go to topic 4. You can see submit your recording. Here, click here. And then you click here. Okay, click allow. As you can see, students are given a limit of 3 minutes. To start, click record. Okay, the clock is running, and when you finish, click stop, and your audio is being uploaded to the system. If you want to listen to what you have said, click play. Submit here. Yes. And that's it. Topic 5. Writing. In this topic, students will focus on describing charts in IELTS Writing Task 1. With the language referring to number, they will write sentences about a chart and then compare what they have written with their friends. They also have a hands-on activity in which they will go around the class doing an interview and then use what they have found to write a report. Topic 6. This is the last topic of the course. As I have said from the beginning, teacher will give students a big task. This is an integrated task which involves all the skills and materials that students have accumulated during the lessons. All the information, the scenario, and essential questions are given in the PowerPoint 5, and teacher will provide instructions about the product content and some technical help. As for the content, students will use materials from the previous topics, like the interview from topic 1, extra reading in topic 2, presentation in topic 3, vocabulary in topic 4, and report in topic 5. And as for the technical help, they will be given instruction on how to take photo and film video, how to upload their video on YouTube, the NDM learning system. And this is the end of our video presentation. Thank you so much for viewing and listening.